Now a good time to get QANX. Seems like high risk reward play. Yeah, I mean, if you've watched my videos, you know, I don't mince words. I just say how I see it. Yeah, I have a little bit of QANX. You know, I am invested. I never did, but I was persuaded by certain people at the value of QANX. Oh wow, huh? Wow, for that. So we've been consolidating here, and I was talking about how this kind of replicated this consolidation. Look, now we're getting a little bit of a breakout. If this is the beginning of the breakout, I don't know if it is. You can never know if this is the breakout or not. You could end up tomorrow back down here. Okay, it's unlikely, but it's possible. Yeah, but if it is kind of looking like this, and if this is the breakout, then look it'd be like buying here, and look what happened to the price. It went up another 300%. This wave is going to be more aggressive, more explosive in terms of increase in value. So I am expecting this wave to be better. Better is a one word to use. One word. There are probably better words. That's one word. Better. I'm expecting this wave to be better than the previous wave. Do I have another chart here? I thought I did Elliott waves, and I think I must have deleted them. So we've got this wave one here, 5 waves. This is your correction now. Is this the move? Yeah, it could be. Yeah, look at it. It's quite impulsive. I'm not too disappointed. Yesterday I was chatting to said person who got me involved with QANX, and I actually told him yesterday I bought some more, you know, and why? Because it hadn't moved yet, and I see a shit ton of other tokens moving, and I was like, shit, this doesn't move yet. I better buy some more before it moves. that really was really that simple, that logic. You got free 1.2k to drop into crypto. Oh my god, I'm not really advising people how to do shit. You know, I'm just telling people what I see, and then you have to kind of make your own decisions. 1.2k, is that all of your money that you're going to invest in crypto? Is that do you have crypto? Do you have other positions? If that's all that you got, you have, I mean, I don't know if it's all you've got. I would, if that's all the money you have in the world, then, and you want to, it's a hard one, yeah, because the reality is with crypto, you have to put money in that you can afford to lose. So I can't give you advice based on the money that your last remaining 1.2 thousand. Oh, okay. All right, good. Good. He's saying no, it's now. Uh, oh, yes, it is only shit. Well, you can lose all your money, yeah. I think what you have to do is like the minute you put money in crypto, it's gone. Just think of it like that. Yeah, you can lose all of it, 100%. That's how you have to think about it. You have to think you can lose all of it. If you don't, you're not going to sleep well at night. The minute you put money in crypto, it's like you spent 1.2k and it's gone forever. You have to think like that. If you can't think like that, you won't sleep well tonight or tomorrow, because you'll buy here and tomorrow you'll wake up and for reasons that you can't explain, the price is down here and you're just going to have really bad sleep. It's down 50%. You can't explain it. I can't explain it. No one can explain it. Yeah, no one predicted it. It happens. Shit happens in crypto, and you're going to get really bad sleep. Yeah. And so if you lose that, so when you put money in crypto, you have to imagine it gone forever. Okay. And then you can sleep well at night. And if the bet pays off, because effectively it's a bet on the future. You're betting on the future of this project growing exponentially in the context of crypto growing exponentially in the context of other factors, fundamentals like corporations, big entities buying crypto, buying Bitcoin, the context of American government changing to a pro-crypto friendly, the context of the US cutting interest rates, which is going to have a positive impact on assets, like the risk on assets like crypto, then it's a bet. It's a gamble, isn't it? It's a gamble. It's a calculated gamble, but you're going all in with your value. Is QANX a good one to put all your money in? Yeah, probably. It's a good one. It's a layer one. Layer ones, generally speaking, do very well. We've had the wave one. If this is the wave two, the next wave will take us to the all-time high, surely. And just based on a fib-based extension, very conservative prediction, not without taking too much time to analyze, and we won't know until it happens, but very conservative prediction will be a 1-to-1 at the very least, I think. So from the current price where it is now, not from the low, that's a 300% increase in value. That's conservative. Yeah. And I think in your case, because it's all the money that you have, the way I would play it is take your money out at 300%, which will be taking this high. Take your original investment out. Yeah. And then don't worry about the rest. Then if it runs, it runs. Yeah. And then you can sleep at night. Then you haven't lost anything. I think we'll get there quite easily. No one knows the future. Will it reject? Who knows? Yeah. No one knows. But I am expecting 5 waves. It could wave one up to there. You could get an ABC correction here. Then you can have a wave 3. Go to higher prices and a correction. You can have a wave 5. You could go with this one. We can go 20x probably, possibly. Time is really important as well. So I think also another strategy would be to buy and try and sell somewhere between March and April. Okay, so that's kind of not financial advice. The advice is that whatever money you put in crypto, you have to imagine it gone. Okay, that is advice. The minute you put money in crypto, it's gone. Yeah, so you can sleep well at night. If you're willing to take that risk, is this the play? Possibly. QANX is pumping. Yeah. I looked at QANX, huh? I just looked at QANX. It's pumping. QANX is pumping. There's a little bit of volume coming here. That's nice to see. So I'm quite happy about that. Like, I think a lot of people who watch my stream on QANX, I think I kind of calmed them down a little bit, because I think a lot of people were worried, and I think I kind of calmed, like, gave people a little bit of confidence about holding and not selling and just kind of buying more as we entered this lower part. When I said to people, it was just basically repeating that. I think a lot of people felt confident about holding and just buying more and not letting go of their token, understanding the context of some kind of higher low here. And yeah, so it's looking quite good. I bought some yesterday, so I'm pretty pleased with myself. And what's interesting is we're clearing this point of control. Yeah, I can't complain. It's a sign of strength, isn't it? Look, we just got past, we just went above this point of control. Look, above this one, back tested it a little bit. This one found a little bit of resistance, not much. Now someone is going, shit, I better buy some more. I've got to buy now. This could be the wave one, huh? Let's have a look at the daily time frame. Let me just delete these brush strokes now. They're a bit distracting. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of that one. Coming to the value area high here. So on a daily time frame, when you're looking at market structure, we did put in a lower low here. Okay, so let's ignore that wick, because let's just assume that's a liquid wick based on gate being a liquid, and someone just market bought the news, which was that Linux Foundation collaboration partnership. So in this context, this is your lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay. So actually what we need now is a market structure change. And so we need this high to be taken now. Okay. That would be a higher high. And then we'll probably see a lower low, and then off we go. So we get a little kind of a higher low, sorry, higher high, higher low, and then break the high for an off we go. That's kind of what I would like to see now for this, to have confirmation of this being the impulse, the first impulse, yeah, and not just some fat fingers just buying it a bit too prematurely, yeah. If it can go up there, put in a higher high, if we get a little bit of a small correction here, flipping this value area into support, that kind of reminds me of what happened here, similar to what happened here. Took out the high, flipped the value area into support, and then we kind of had this something similar, didn't we? So I'd like to see that, and it doesn't have to take a week. I've just elongated this just to show you what I'm looking for. It could just take 2 or 3 days or whatever. Something, we'll see what happens, yeah. But that's kind of something I'm interested to see if that happens. You also have to be aware, because with these first waves, technically the price could correct with a zigzag all the way back down without taking the low of the initial impulse. In terms of Elliott wave theory, that this kind of correction is absolutely correct, as long as you don't take out the low of the original impulse, which is here, which is kind of where I had it marked, yes, the couple of days ago when I did QANX. So I marked it out, didn't I? I imagined that was a low, and as long as we don't take out that low now, then this could be the first impulse. And flat corrections are always more bullish. So if we do take out that high and have a flat correction here, it'll be much better for higher prices, and that's kind of what we want to see, but no one can predict that. But I think maybe we will get that, because I don't think anyone's selling, huh? No one is selling QANX. No one is selling. People are buying. All right, that is my stream, I think, today, guys.